Hello everyone and welcome to the Stock Martin channel. Today is Monday, May 2nd. We are going to be talking about the latest Lucid news. We are going to have the Lucid earnings call on Cinco de Mayo on May 5th, which is this Thursday. And I am going to be talking about what to expect if history repeats itself, what is going to be happening with this earnings call, and how to play the stock. I think you're going to get a lot out of this video. Before we get down into it and get started, give me that big thumbs up to keep me alive on YouTube. Smash the subscribe button, join the community, hit the notification bell, hit all to get my latest uploaded videos. We are trying to grow this channel to 15,000 subscribers by my 1-year anniversary, which is on May 6th, which is this Friday. So we still have a long way to go, but again, thanks for watching. And without further ado, let's talk about the latest Lucid news, the latest LCID stock. So if history repeats itself, we are going to see some buying opportunities. We are going to be seeing a lot of people possibly getting into this stock right up until the earnings day, like we saw last time. However, during the earnings call last time for the Q4 of 2021, we did get some pretty bad news. We did get news that there were supply chain issues. We did see that the production of the Lucid Air sedan was cut down by the CEO, Peter Rawlinson, from 20,000 electric vehicles projected for this year for 2022 down to 12 to 14,000, claiming that there's a lot of problems with supply chain issues, getting that glass, getting the luxury carpet. A lot of the commodities was the biggest push, was the biggest downward pressure on this stock and on this company to get its fit and finish vehicles out and about. Now, I do suspect that the production numbers are not going to be increased as much because, again, we have not really corrected the supply chain issues. So, again, things to watch out for is, will the projected production numbers be pushed down even more from that 12,000 vehicles per year? We are going to also hear about Lucid's productions. How many vehicles have they delivered? We do know that they are starting to get the Grand Touring out now. They are having a special variation of this called the Performance, and this vehicle will be starting at $179,000. So Lucid is definitely trying to push up the cost of the vehicles because we have seen that there are very expensive components now to make batteries. We have seen that nickel is at its all-time high. Nickel, as you know, is produced mainly in Russia. That is the number one exporter for Russian mining company is nickel. That is a huge component of batteries. We have seen a short supply of nickel. So again, these are translating the cost to the consumer. So we have seen the production vehicles have been increasing their price. Right now, Lucid has not increased the price of any other vehicle at this point in time. However, we do need to keep that in our mindset. We do need to keep that in the rear view mirror, as this could definitely increase the price of the vehicle, which the CEO, the Peter Rawlinson, has not done yet. So again, very big things to look forward to, but according to the stock, in my opinion only, I do believe that this stock has still some downward pressures, still has a downward potential from the price points that they are now, roughly at $18. What could end up happening is the stock could start picking up some speed up until that earnings date. If the earnings date does give us some bad news like it did last time, I do suspect the day after, which would be May 6th, the stock price could go down even further. Now, again, we are having still that very big inflation. We are having the Fed trying to increase the interest rates to bring down the inflation, which is at its 40-year high right now. And this is a very difficult, very bad times for technology companies, new startup electric vehicle companies that are trying to get revenue in. And definitely you can see this hitting hard on Rivian stock, Lucid Motors stock, some of the other electric vehicle stocks that are out there. Again, this is putting huge downward pressure. Even the international EV stocks such as NIO, XPeng, Li Auto, also some of the speculative EV plays such as Mullen Automotive. So again, this is putting huge downward pressures on. Will this last? I don't think it will last forever. I do think that this is temporary, and I do think that we do have very nice price points and buy-in opportunities for these stocks for long-term growth. Now, that being said, how low can the Lucid stock go? Right now, we have been hovering right at $18. Have we tested a bottom yet? We have seen a low of $17.50. I do suspect that if the earnings call is a poor one, if we do have some very bad news, I do think that we could be testing $16. If this does happen, I don't think it will happen for the long term. Again, I do think that this is just temporary until we get the productions going, until we get that supply chain issue straightened out. And this will take several months to come. But when you are investing, invest into the future. And I do think that the future is bright for Lucid Motors, and I think it's going to be a great company moving forward into the future. We have seen that there are so many reviewers. Just most recently, Inside EVs has named the Lucid Motor the best value luxury electric vehicle in the world. They did say that it is a combination of the Bugatti. It is a combination of Mercedes. They said that they test drove every electric vehicle that's out there. The Porsche Taycan, which I actually had a chance to drive. I did find the vehicle very nice, but again, it did not have that luxury feel. But again, you are getting this with Lucid Motors. You're getting that performance of a Bugatti. You are getting that comfort of the Mercedes brand, the Audi brand, and you're also getting that technology, the range. There's no other electric vehicle on the market that does compete with the luxury and the performance. Tesla is a very, very near, but again, it does not have that luxury component that Lucid has that very nice niche in, and I think it will be a great company into the future. But again, I do hope that you did like this video, and I hope that you did learn something new. Give me that big thumbs up to keep me alive on YouTube. Smash the subscribe button. Remember, we are trying to grow this channel to at least 15,000 subscribers by the end of this week. We'll see if we can get there. I greatly appreciate your help. So share this page with your family, friends, coworkers, that next door neighbor. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, notification bell to get all my latest uploaded videos. I do have awesome promotions down below. Starting today, you can get a free Twitter stock if you fund a Moomoo account with at least $2,000. Maintain a $2,000 balance in that account for at least 30 days. That Twitter account is yours. But in addition to this, Moomoo will give you up to 5 free stocks, each valued up to $3,500 each. Incredible opportunities to get up to $17,500. Take advantage of that huge opportunity. But until next time, I cannot wait to talk to you on the next one. Have a wonderful week, and we'll talk to you on the next one. Thank you.